I made Edika-Ikong over the weekend and I couldn't believe how quickly everything came together. Best part is that it tasted so good and I love that it didn't take so much of my time to put together. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Remy and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. Without wasting time, you know I don't like to waste time on this channel. Let's get right into cooking. All the proteins I'll be using have been pre-cooked, so I have here stockfish, dry fish. I also have some cow leg and assorted from the freezer and I threw those in as well. For this recipe, I'll be using both red and yellow scotch bonnet peppers, which have been chopped nicely. I also added some onions and meat stock. I almost forgot to add the Ponmo, but they are here now. A bit more water to bring this up to speed, some palm oil, 1 stock cube, and I will combine these. I won't be adding salt yet. Edika-Ikong is one of my favorite soups from the east and I love how rich it is with the vegetables. Love it so much. Once I stir this well, I'll cover it to cook for about 10 minutes. Opening after 10 minutes and it looks so good. Almost all the water is gone and I added dried shrimps at this point, and at this point also I will go in with the water leaves first. My water leaves have been washed and sliced thinly, as you can see, and they need to go in first so that they can release their water into the soup before we add ugu. So I added some crayfish powder to cook for a bit, about 2 minutes. I will give this a good stir and then introduce ugu at this point. I believe that after adding ugu, it will soak up the juice that the water leaves have released. If you like this recipe, do well to give me a thumbs up, and if it's your first time on this channel, I would like if you can join us by subscribing to the channel so you can see many more of my yummy recipes. Alright, this is 3 minutes after adding ugu. It has withered and will be easier to mix at this point. So all I need to do is just combine these while still on very low heat for about 1 more minute and this soup is ready. I didn't have to add any more salt because of the ingredients I used, and you know, the meat stock and the crayfish powder made it tasty enough, and that was just it. And this is Edika-Ikong, looking so yummy. I tell you, it tasted so good and I think that you should try it using this recipe. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I really do hope that you try this recipe and share your feedback with me. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.